I can go to that isometric page. Now the isometric page is here. In this, I want to construct, say, can we take the isometric, that circle diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, now I'm going to consider the isometric, the circle diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, the diameter is, okay, now I can draw. Dia is 60 millimeter for the circle. Okay. Diameter is 60 millimeter. That same diameter you are going to construct here. You can assume here you are going to construct, you are going to construct the ellipse, this zone, so that you can find any one of the point somewhere. Okay, here you can take this point. Sorry, I can take this way. You can take this point as the initial starting point. This dot, I think you are able to see this dot here. Okay. Now this dot point, you are taking 60 millimeter in both the side, 30-degree inclination. Okay. So now from this, I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. And from here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now the same 60 you can from this point you can take, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. And from here construct another 60. Now you got this rhombus in the diagram. Okay. Now after drawing this rhombus, you need to find midpoint of each and every side. Okay, midpoint of each and every side. So now, where is the midpoint for this one? Exactly at 30 millimeter, isn't it? Here, this is the midpoint of the midpoint. Okay, and here 10, 20, 30. This is the midpoint of this side, and here this is the midpoint for this side. Okay, 10, 20, 30, and 10, 20, 30. This is the midpoint of this side. Right. Now you draw the midpoint for each and every side. Okay. I want to ask you one question here. There are 4 corners in this rhombus, isn't it? There are 4 corners in the rhombus. Right. So now, which corner is having less than 90 degree? Which corner is having? So shall we make a ABCD also for these points? Okay. I'll do it. This is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Okay. So these all center points you are giving name differently. Okay. I want to ask one more thing. There are 4 corners, I said. Okay. So this is one corner. I can tell. This is one corner, and this is one corner, and this is third corner. This one is the 4th corner. You are following me or not?
Sir.
Okay. Now this is the 4 corners. You know very well. Okay. Now which corner is having less than 90 degree and which corner is having more than 90 degree corner? Say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. There are 4 corners. Okay. Which corner is having less than 90 degree? This angle,
First corner.
this angle, this angle, and this angle. by visual, by seeing itself, we can find out which is having less than 90-degree corner, which is having more than 90-degree corner, right? How? By seeing itself, acute and obtuse. Hope you remember your geometry construction of your school level, right? Obtuse means it is more than 90
Less
degree.
than 90. More than
Acute means it is less than 90 degree. Okay. So now the corner 1 and corner 3 is what? Corner
Less
1
than 90 degree.
less than 90 degree. Okay.
90 degree.
Yeah, this is for some understanding purpose I am telling. Okay. So the corner 1 and the corner 3 is less than 90 degree, and corner 2 and the corner 4 is how much it will be? More than
90 degrees.
90
More
degree.
than 90.
Okay. Now your aim is to find out the corners having more than 90 degree. That is the important point. Okay. Especially in the construction of ellipse, if you are missing this point, your drawing goes wrong. Okay. So you should target the corner which is having more than 90 degree in your mind. Okay. Then now I can clean this surface. It is erased. That's why I'm drawing again. Okay. Now this corner and this corner is less than 90 degree. So you are taking more than 90 degree corner, this and this. Okay. Why you are choosing this more than 90 degree corner? Okay. Now you are choosing this is the more than 90 degree corner. Okay. So from this you need to connect the opposite face. For this, the opposite face is A and B. Is it correct? For this corner, the opposite face is A and B. Is it right or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Now what you do from this corner, you connect A. Draw a line. And from this corner, draw a line to join B. Okay. And then you choose this corner now. You can choose this corner. From this corner, opposite faces D and C. Right. For this corner, opposite faces D and C. So you connect from this corner to D and from this corner to C. Okay. So now you connected all those things. Now the point is how to draw this ellipse in isometric by 4-center method. They mentioned in the problem itself, it is 4-center method. What are the 4 centers? That is the question. Okay. Now you can take this is center 1. Okay. And this is center 2. Okay. And this is center 3 and this is center 4. You understand? So this point, the intersection point is called center 1 and this corner is called center 2 and this intersection point is called again center 3 and this corner is calling again center 4. So these are the 4 points is called 4 centers. Now you need to construct the ellipse. That is the final point. Wait, I will show you the this thing. Don't compass. Compass This is the compass you are taking, right? This is the tip you need to keep in the center point, and you need to adjust the radius by using this thing that you know very well. Okay, anyway, just I am explaining for the purpose of the demonstration here. Okay, now you take center 1. Okay, you take center you take center 1 as center point, and that 1 to A. Okay, this 1 to this 1 to A as radius, and draw a arc up to D. Okay, this is what you need to do. This arc you need to do properly. Okay, 1 as center, A as radius, draw an arc up to D. Okay, and the same way 2 as center, D as radius. Okay, from 2 to D as the radius, draw an arc up to C. Okay, so that you can draw this, and 3 as radius, and C as a 3 as center, C as radius, draw an arc up to B. Okay, and then 4 as center, B as radius, 4 is the center, B is the radius, draw an arc up to, it is reaching A. Okay, so now if you are doing properly by using the compass means, we'll get a fine and fantastic ellipse in your thing. Okay, any doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
So hope you can do the ellipse in proper way, right? So the thing is only to find out the centers 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the important thing. After finding it out, you can use the compass 1 as the center point and A as the radius. Draw an arc up to D. It is a quarter arc. Okay, and then 2 as the center, D as the radius. Draw an arc up to C. Okay, that is the second quarter ellipse is done, and then 3 as the center point, C as the radius, draw an arc up to B. This is the third quarter circle is over. And then 4 as the center, B as the radius, complete the remaining arc